Little Calumet River. This area is a small forest preserve of the Cook County Forest District, and we're here to help with prairie restoration.
Just glide, then it goes smooth. Sounds good?
Yeah. Button this tree down so you can see Halsted.
Alright, so today we're at the Chickapoo Forest, and I just cut this baby tree right here using a saw. So basically you use your, I use my right hand because I'm right-handed. You hold the saw, and then the other hand you hold the tree, you saw it, and I sawed the tree.
My name is Mariam Salem, and I work with CIMBY. Calumet is my backyard. And today we have Gwendolyn Brooks High School. Part of what we're doing today is actually exploring this prairie. So we are doing some plant monitoring, and we are looking for anything interesting really that we can find and to talk about.
And now we're making s'mores. It's near the end of class, so we just, graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallow. That's it.
Jelly on your side.
I'm grateful for this peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
So we went to Kickapoo Woods today to do prairie restoration. Had a little prairie walk, and also took down some invasive buckthorn and burned that, and also had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and s'mores, which taste a lot better outdoors.